Hi, Jordan with K-Guard Leaf-Free Gutter Systems. Do your gutters currently look something like this? 5-inch, thin metal, jagged drops for catching debris or slicing your finger off. Either way, hard edges in the front. Who needs it? Let's take a look at a system that works, has functionality, durability, and look at that crown molding finish. Not only does it look great, perform great, but it's warranted for life. No clogs, no ladders, ever again. Take a look at some of these recent installs over the past year.